This is how you can get your iPhone to remind you about appointments. So by far, the best way to achieve it is through the calendar app. So if I go to the search, I can type in a calendar like this. I have Google Calendar as well as Apple one, but I'm going to go with Apple because it's built in. It's very simple to use. So I'm going to get inside. And at first, I need to create the appointment within the calendar. So let's say that it's going to be on the 30th of July. So I'm going to click on that day and I'm going to click on a plus button. You can see that I need to give it a title. So I don't know, I'm going to type in the appointment one like this. And you can obviously set up some more information about it. So you can choose if it starts at a specific time or if it's a full day event, whatever. So that's how you can essentially set it up. But if you want your iPhone to remind you about that appointment, make sure that you set up the alert for it. So as you can see below, we have the alert, and by default, it says none, right? So unless I manually check the calendar, I will not know about it. So you can click on alert and choose it in the following way. You can choose it on the day of the event at 9 a.m. That's fine. I usually select it this way, but then it shows me the second alert option. And this one I select on the day before, one day before, right? So as you can see, this appointment, which is going to happen on the July 30, I'm gonna get the notification the day before and also on the day of the appointment. So that's very useful. That's how you can set it up. Make sure you hit done, and this is how it is set up. You can obviously always come back to it in the calendar, click on edit and make any changes to it. Like, of course, you can, if you set up a specific time, for example, that it starts at 10 a.m. and ends at 11 a.m., the alert might be set up a little bit different because you can choose it at the time of the event or even a couple of minutes before, an hour before, let me choose it 2 hours before, as well as one a day before the event. So plenty of ways you can set it up, but once you hit it done, you will not forget about it. So I hope it helps. Let me know if we managed to set it up. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.